Today we're gonna talk about long vowel E. Long vowel E. As I told you before, long vowel E, the same name of the letter. The same name of the letter, which makes the sound of E. 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 What is letter E? What is the sound of the long vowel E? Okay. Number one, E and magic E. E and magic E. Magic E has power. Magic E has power. Yes, and it gives this power to the vowel E. And told them, say your name. Say your name. Say your name for here. 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 These. 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 This one. Eve. 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 So the first case we have E and magic. E. E and magic. E. 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 Number two. E. Like he. He. Egypt. 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 She. We. Number three, if you find IE, you can pronounce it as thief. For thief, yes, E. Thief. Peace. 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 Field. 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 Number four, Raneen, if you find double E in the word, you pronounce it as E for seed. Seed. Three. 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 Tree. 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 And cheese. Cheese. What is the sound of CH? Ch. Double E. E. Cheese. Cheese. EA for eat. 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 Meat. 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 What is? Leaf. 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 See. See. Y at the end of the word, like happy. 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 Candy. Candy. Mommy. Mommy. Okay. EY like honey. Honey. Money. Money. Yes, good job. Donkey. 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 EI like ceiling. 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 I can say ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. Again, so double E has E. Double E has E sound. E. E. Long vowel E says E. 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 Okay.